Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drain tube on your fridge. The reason why you might do this is because the drain tube is leaking or damaged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. To get to this part, we're going to be tipping our fridge over. You might want to do this with a friend because fridges are heavy. But what we're going to do is carefully tip it back. So here's our drain hose, this black hose here. We're going to remove it from our drain pan. We're going to take this and we're going to remove it from the fridge, just like that. Now, take your new OEM replacement hose, and if you don't have one already, you can get one on our online store. We're going to take the end with the rubber on it, and we're going to feed that through right into that hole there. And again, I'm wearing some leather gloves because we've got some sharp edges right on that radiator. So now we're going to feed it all the way through. Make sure it's nice and tight in there so that we're not going to get any leaks again. Once you've got it in there as far as you can, take the other end of the hose and feed that into the drain pan. Now that we've done that, we can lift the fridge back up, nice and careful, and set it down nice and gentle. Now, depending on how long you let your fridge lay down, you're going to want to have it standing up before you plug it in, just so that all the gases and fluids can settle properly. But I would say if you just did that repair, it should be fine after about 15 minutes. Once you've done that, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.